Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to be showing how you can write a Python code to convert files, video files for you into audio MP3 files. In case you have a large number of videos that probably music videos you want to have audio for, you don't need to freak out to get some downloader. With this code, I tell you, you're going to be able to just change everything to video in the format and bit rate you want. All right, let's dive into it. To download PyCharm, go to www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download, and you see the Windows selected that using Windows or Mac OS Linux. The PyCharm Professional is not free. You can have a 30-day trial, but Community Edition is what I use. So you can just click here and have it download and then install. First thing, you install the library we call Moviepy. And just come to Python packages here and type the name of the package. If you don't have it, I already have it, so there's no need. So here, Moviepy is a Python library for video editing, cutting, concatenation, starting insertions, video compositing, video processing, and creation of custom effects. It's a very powerful library. You can check it out on the website. On the pip.org website, and how you install it is pip install Moviepy for other IDEs. All right, how to install this? So let's just go straight into coding. Zoom a bit. Okay. So first you import your OS. Now from Moviepy.editor, import video file clip. Next, you specify your source folder where the music you want to convert, where all of them, there is. So this is where I have mine, all my videos in MP4. I want them converted. The output bitrate I want is 192. Okay. Now I create a function, convert to MP3 text and video path, output path and bitrate. Video is video file clip video path, and the audio will be the audio property of the video. So I call on the audio and then the write audio file, specify the output path and codec, the MP3, and set the bit rate. Then I create a folder named converted. Then the output folder will be os.path.join, the source folder. So it's going to be in the same folder here, music / video to convert / converted. Okay, so I now say if it doesn't exist, if this output folder doesn't exist, I'll create it. Otherwise, if you don't specify that, you're gonna throw an error. So then I loop through the directory for file naming. There is if file name.lower ends with MP4, AVI, MKV, or whatever format you have your videos in. Lower because sometimes MP4, AVI, they're written in capital. Okay, so video path is os.path.join source folder and then the file name. So that will be the file name. You want to retain the name of the file before you after your conversion. You don't want so that's why you do this. os.path.join the output folder, which is this /videos to convert /converted. Now then you add the file name to it and then put .mp3 extension. So you can now call the convert to mp3 function. So it just picks this, and then it's converted. You can now print conversion complete. Now let's run this. We have folders there and watch what happens. We have a files here. Okay. So it's gonna take a while depending on the size of your videos. So but you can see here, conversions on the first video is ongoing. So video 1 is done. Video 2, oh great, converted folder. Video 1, video 2, video 3. So that's it. It's as simple as that. Let's wait till a conversion is done. So remember, higher bit rates generally result in better audio quality, but also larger file sizes. So you want to make sure you're picking a bit rate that is a middle ground. So that's how it's done. Let's see. All right. So everything is converted. You can listen to your music. They are in MP3, whichever way you want. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to get more tips like this. See you in the next video. You can run. Yeah, you see, moved everything, and let's see where our sort folder is. Yeah, this is what everything has turned into. We now have it by album, artist name. If you click on the artist, you have different albums, and all the files are moved accordingly. So, in conclusion, you have it, a Python program that smartly organizes your MP3 files into folders based on artist name and album titles, even with files with missing metadata find their way into designated folders. So be sure to adopt this code to your own collection and give it a spin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more coding goodness. Remember to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding.